Up before the sunrise, got a plan to slay. Tripod set, flowers out, we're just one post away. Burn to batch, that's alright, that's how legends grow. Mix the mess with some magic, now watch that camera roll. Lens is tight, the light is right, reels are rolling through the night. You've got that spark, don't fade away. It's your moment, hit create. Bake it till you make it rise up like you do. Keep that fire burning even when it's slow. From crumbs to crowns, we're building every day. Finish strong Friday, we're gonna slay. Bake it till you make it, pour your heart and stir. Every flop's a flavor, every shot's a blur, but you're the chef of your own display. Finish strong Friday, lead the way.
Dough stained hands and dreams so wide, posting through the algorithm tide. They'll see the love, they'll feel the heat. You serve up joy, now that's a treat. Camera glitches, controls, keep your focus, feed your goals. From kitchen tales to viral fame, every bite tells your name.
Bake it till you make it, taste what you create. You've been cooking up greatness on every plate, so toast the week and shout a hooray. Finish strong Friday, your way. One more reel, one more take. It's not just food, it's what you make. Bake it, believe it, create it, achieve it. Finish strong Friday, bake it till you make it. Start with a spark, just a pinch of belief. A dream in your apron, some joy underneath. Every click's an ingredient, every view's a flame. Mix your message with heart, now you're in the game. Some days will crumble, some won't rise, but keep stirring truth, no need for disguise. 'Cause what we're building takes time and care, and every single voice adds flavor in the air. Whisk it together, let the love grow. Feed the fire gently, let your story flow. From 1 to 100, 1,000 and more. Community's the recipe we're all aiming for. Whisk it together, don't cook alone. Each like each comment, a brick in your home. We're not just creators, we're family too.
is your kitchen, your soul's the design. And though trends may shift, your flavors will shine. They'll come for the content, but stay for your voice. So season with kindness, it's always a choice. There's no perfect batter, no flawless glaze, just lessons learned in the heat of the craze. So preheat your purpose and rise as you grow. Pour out your passion and let the world know. Risk it together, build it bold. Pour out your vision, plate in gold. From comments to collabs, from viewers to friends, this is the recipe that never ends. Whisk it together, keep showing up true. Your kitchen's a beacon, and we believe in you. Yes, we're not just creators, we're family too. Building this table, me and you. So here's to the bakers, the makers, the brave. To those who stayed patient with every wave.